And then if you go up in the airplane, now that's the opposite, right? Now the pressure in here is greater than the pressure out here. And this thing starts to push this way. So what do? Yawn, chew gum, yawn, whatever you got to do, right? And what are you doing there? You're opening up the eustachian tube to let pressure out of the middle ear so that it will equal the outer ear.
So the yawning and chewing gum is kind of like a hit or miss for me. Like sometimes it'll work, sometimes. Is there like an actual way to?
You could activate your salpingopharyngeus and tensor veli palatini.
Layman's terms.
If you had conscious control of those muscles, right?
If there isn't a manual movement.
You can reach in, go through your soft palate and try to push and massage it like that, and it'll usually pop open. Yeah, if you go up through your soft palate, flex, you have to flex in, kind of like the last digit has to flex in, and then you do a little scooping motion.